got it, Blaine.
Got one?
Yeah. We got a fish on already. I mean, just threw it out probably, what, 15 seconds? I think you may have come off, Blaine. Nope, you're busy.
Yeah, you know, still on him.
Yeah. All right, blading is on down there. We're gonna keep this little croaker. We got a little croaker right there. All right, blading is on down there. We're gonna keep this little croaker. Got a little.
Pompano? Pompano?
I don't know. He's a little bit of a head. He's a head jerker. He got a little bit of fight on him. Let's see what he is. Should be coming in right here. Another little one. All right, that's fine.
We got a bunch of live bait now, Daddy.
Yeah, we got some bait.
Okay.
We're catching them like really fast just on the fish bites right now. My fish bite on the top one is completely gone already.
I know, it's pretty long.
I got it. I got him. I'm telling y'all, this is crazy. I think it's just these little croakers, they're little small ones, but I'm gonna tell you right now, we'll take them because we were gonna go get some live bait earlier. This one seems a little heavier. We were gonna go get some live bait earlier or later on today and try it, but.
There we go, there we go, there we go.
Oh, look at there, Bladen doubled up.
Yeah!
Check that out, guys. Check that out. Doubled up on some croak.
Dad, they are out there.
Yeah, well, that's what we need to do. Oh, yeah. I think we doubled up on this one, Bladen. I mean, y'all, these little, and I think they're croakers. I'm pretty sure they are. But we were gonna go get some live bait and cut bait about 9 or 9:30 this morning, depending on what the fish were doing. But right now, these little bitty jokers are just tearing it up. Look at there. These little jokers are just tearing it up right now. So we're keeping these. I'm gonna put the bubbler in the bucket in a little bit. All right, guys, taking a break for just a minute. We got out here before the sun came up and we got everything baited and set up. We started casting out. Within 15 seconds, we had fish on, and we started reeling in. We noticed it was little small croakers, some pinfish, and so we just started catching them because they were just biting left and right. You'll see on the video. But we wanted some bait fish today. We were gonna go to the store across the street and buy some, But now we have ours. So I gotta set the bubbler up and see if I can keep them alive for as long as possible. And we're gonna start using them here before long. So we'll see what happens. I mean, they were biting like crazy. There must be a school of them out there right along the bar. That's where I was throwing. And but it looks good and promising so far. I had a good dream and a good feeling last night that we're gonna have a good day of fishing today. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned.
Tiny little croakers. Really good bait. We're going to use them for bait. Try to use them for some live bait. Got some? No, now they love the orange and the green.
Yeah. All right. I had a rig that I had made and blading threw it out and my line broke on the rig itself. So I could have possibly had a bad knot on it. But anyway, I've just, for right now, this is my pin wrath. It's a 9-foot rod. But y'all, this was my first saltwater rod and reel. And I don't know why the pin wrath gets kind of a bad rap sometimes from what I've seen. But I love this thing. I've got 30-pound braided line on it. Lady and I decided it was time to start using some cut bait because all we were hitting on were the little bitty ones. And we probably got 20 in the bucket right now with a bubbler. But so we got cut bait on right now, and gonna see if we can catch something a little bit bigger. Hopefully we do. Maybe some reds, maybe some drums. Who knows? This is what's tearing it up right now, the fish bites.
Oh, I got him. Holy. Oh, this is the little croakers, y'all. They, you tell they're a croaker if you close their mouth and they look like a whiting. But, great bait, for sure. Dad! Dad, what are you doing? Dad! 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 Dad!
You got a big one. All right, ready? Come down, reel, 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 reel. He's still there.
Thank you, Dad. what we have.
All right, we got a big one on right now. All right, don't reel it while he's. All right, reel. All right, hold on. All right, reel. You got it?
Yep.
Try to keep it up if you can. All right, keep reeling. Get your rod tip up. There you go. Keep reeling. Might be a big drum or big redfish. Who knows?
Oh,
all right, just let him take it. Be easy. He's going that way. All right. All right, reel. You're gonna have to keep that head up some. There you go. Keep reel it on. Reel it. Is he pulling drag?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's pulling. I'm having to hold the rod up some for blading because this thing is fighting, whatever it is. Okay. You're not doing any good.
I was up on the deck. I said I'm coming down. I gotta see that.
All right, keep going. All right, hold on. Get your rod up, son. Sure did. Never seen that happen before. All right, he might be starting to come in. All right, reel. We'll tighten it up just a little bit. All right, now he's still trying to swim right here. Keep coming. Might be a stingray blading. I hope it's not either, but it might be.
It might be what?
A stingray. Keep reeling. All right, hold on. Just start walking backwards a little
Daddy,
bit.
it's a big ray.
Okay. Is it a big ray? Okay. Yeah. It might be a stingray. Woo, he's trying to pull. We'll use it. Easy.
Is it a big ray?
It's a big stingray. Ooh, wee, that's a big one. Yeah, that's a big stingray. Or you gonna snap your rod?
No.
Woo, that's a big one.
I want to bring him in.
You gotta use the waves to get him in. Wow. Look at that, y'all.
He's got his nose. You gotta grab him by his nose.
Don't get close to it, Tucker. Walk backwards, Bladen. Well, we caught a bit. Oh, whoa. Well, I got to get the hook out of his mouth. I don't know. It's on top of the toolbox. Nah, I'm gonna step on it. Watch out. I'm gonna step on his tail.
Dad, you're gonna do it with your boot. I can't do it.
I can't. Well, I can't flip him over. Watch out.
Flip him over with your foot.
All right, watch out, Tucker. Move. All right, let me get the.
Get his tail.
Look out for that tail.
All right, I got it.
I got him right in the mouth too. How are we gonna release him? He's tough. Oh,
He'll get back down in there in a minute. Well, that was fun. Tucker, he's on, I think, Tucker. Go ahead and start reeling it real easy. Walk backwards and start reeling. Keep your tip up. All right, you stop right there. Reel it in. on. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully we don't cross. Bladen, come up underneath me. Come up underneath. Oh, hold on. No.
Oh no.
How are we? Oh, let me come under you. There you go. Is it still on there? It's gotta be.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, why? It shouldn't be way over there, so something's got it.
Oh yeah, something's got it.
Oh, what is that? Is that a shark?
Yep. Shark, I see it.
All right, let me check these other ones. I don't want you to get tangled. Hey, you need to come over these. Keep reeling, keep reeling and go over the top of these. That's a fish, whatever it is. Oh, go. Oh, I think you gotta go. Nope, that's a shark, isn't it?
Yep.
Keep reeling.
Oh,
That's a good size one. Oh, that's a nice shark.
yeah, hold this over that
Watch the other hooks. There you go. All right, let him down. Well, boys and girls, look at that.
Look at my first blacktip, y'all. First big blacktip. Yeah, how far did it bend your rod?
All right, I got. There he goes. There he goes. He's gone.